Hello people. While I was just sitting at home around 10:15 deciding where to take this beauty on a spin, जोहर का मैसेज आया to meet at Motown गच्चीबौली by 11 p.m. अपन जल्दी तैयार हो गए और निकल गए. Okay, so I reached at Motown Stories Gachibowli ISB Road. It was driven cafe earlier. आने की जल्दी थी, जाने की गाड़ी चलाने की जल्दी थी, so I reached pretty much earlier and Zoher isn't here yet. So let's wait for him. So after missing everyone's entry, let me just show you Zohair's R1, a legendary bike. I mean, there's no words to describe it. Well, आज का वीडियो लाइनअप बताना था. I don't know this Z900, I don't know this Busa, I don't know that Busa, I don't know that Aprilia, neither that Triumph, nor this S1000, ना ही ये Hunter, ना ZX Renar, ना ये Duke, ना Activa. या वो तो मेरी है. मुझे पता है तो सिर्फ जोहेर यहाँ पे.
Thousand years later.
After riding for about 1.5 hour, तब याद आया कि भाई पेट्रोल तो आसमान छूरा, ये रोज़ का काम नहीं हो सकता अपना. And came back home, dumping all my bike stuff as of now in the car trunk.
Whoa! Oh my god.